Tough.
Welcome to my fitness channel. I'm Everardo, a certified fitness professional with over 15 years of experience. I bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to my training practice. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve flexibility, lose weight, or enhance athletic performance, I am driven by the belief in the transformative power of fitness. It is my mission to guide and inspire individuals on their unique fitness journeys, helping them unlock their full potential and achieve their goals.
What's up, world?
Let's embark.
I'm gonna throw some content today for a full body kettlebell workout for beginners. I'm gonna start off with some prep work. The majority of the workout is going to be kettlebells. I'm gonna throw in some pull-ups because it's gonna be horizontal push, horizontal pull, vertical push, vertical pull, and then an anterior leg exercise and a posterior leg exercise. I'll explain everything throughout the video, so stay tuned, and yeah, start with prep work. Work's pretty much done. I sped it up today, so I'm gonna get to the workout. I'm gonna grab some kettlebells. I'm gonna work with 24 kilograms for chest press, and then I'm thinking maybe about 70 pounds, which is roughly 61 kilograms. That bad boy for deadlift. Chest press, want 22 kilograms, so roughly 50 pounds for the chest press and 70 pounds for the deadlift. Let's get into it. So the way the workout's gonna work, we're gonna start with the chest press first, get into the deadlift, and then we're gonna use those kettlebells to work one of my favorite exercises, which is the gorilla row. Going 3 rounds, 12 reps on everything. Moderate to lightweight, moderate weight, moderate to heavyweight. Rest is going to be about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. So again, this is designed to be scaled to your fitness level. Challenge yourself. However, let's stay in that hypertrophy range, higher rep range, moderate to heavyweight. Again, designed for beginners, could be advanced. Just challenge yourself. Let's get into the second round. third round. I'm gonna rest 2 minutes. Switch things up. Switching things up, we're gonna go SEESAW press, tall kneeling SEESAW press, one of my favorite shoulder exercises. Again, great for beginners. Works on your core, works on shoulders, works on stability. Followed by a front squat. Today, I'm going double rack, which means I'm just holding the kettlebells at the collarbone. Can be performed with a goblet, in a goblet position, so just a single kettlebell, or double kettlebell. It kind of sets you up for the front squat progression. Again, one of my favorite exercises. I use it with my clients all the time. And then I am adding pull-ups to this. So I'll adjust it, move some cameras around. Pull-ups is just AMRAP. I'm going to shoot for anywhere between 6 to 8 today. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, let's get into it. By the way, I forgot to mention, for the SEESAW press, I'm just going 13 kilograms, so 30 pounds. It's gonna be fun. The rep range for this one is SEESAW press. I'm going anywhere between 10 to 12. The squats, about 12, and the pull-ups, 6 to 8. Challenging. I forgot how hard those are. Very challenging. Feel that everywhere. Core, legs. Great exercise. Especially for beginners. If you want to start working the front squat, I recommend back squats. Catch my breath. I'm gonna knock out these pull-ups. Sweating bad today. Workout's kicking my oh yeah. Much time into each exercise. The later in the round to go. Goal is to not get injured. Work out hard. Never get injured. I always tell my clients, be humble in the gym. Be humble. Check your ego at the door. Ego is what gets you injured. I am going to go for 8 again. That was it for the workout. That's all I had programmed. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna do a core exercise with the kettlebell. And then that is a wrap. Core exercise. I'm gonna go with a tall kneeling kettlebell halo. I'm gonna perform 8 reps each side. I see this butchered a lot. The goal is to keep your torso in line, not move so much. You really need great shoulder mobility for this exercise. You're supposed to go around, not move your torso. Starting out with some lighter weight. Again, I'm going tall kneeling. Man, I am drenched in sweat. I'm actually working today. Really working today. All right, 2 more rounds of this, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys are enjoying this workout. Again, it is a beginner's workout. It can be done at home. It can be done at your gym, apartment gym. It can also be done with dumbbells. Whatever weight you have, it's important that you scale to your fitness level. What that means, if you're not able to perform the reps properly with proper form, or you're feeling pain or discomfort in the knees, in the shoulders, in the lower back, you're probably going too heavy. Regress a little bit, drop the weight, be humble, and finish the workout. If it's not challenging enough, up the weight. Try and stick to 8 to 12 reps. The first round of things, 12 reps. The second one was a little bit more challenging. I went anywhere between 8 to 12 reps. Give it a shot. If you like this, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe for more content like this. Tired on that one. A couple last ones may have been a little sloppy. The goal is to keep that rib cage down. Shoulders rotate around. My shoulders are feeling it. They're really burning. Alright, let's get into it. Last one. That was 8. All 3 rounds. 8. Man, this workout took me anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. Again, I was moving stuff around, weight around, so that kind of took a little bit longer, but this workout can be done in about 45 minutes. Prep properly, adjust the adequate amount of weight, and rest, and knock it out. Stay tuned for more workouts like this. Again, this was a full body kettlebell workout that can be performed anywhere from just starting out to advanced lifters. Scale to your fitness level, be humble, and kill it. Stay tuned for more. Let's train. Have a great week. Whatever you do, be safe doing it. Stay active. Focus on your health, your nutrition, your mental health, guys. Peace.